Part 1. Stop chasing shiny objects. Look, I get it. You see hackers on Twitter posting $10,000 bounty screenshots and think, I'll just scan all the things. Well, that's a bad idea. You have to start small. First, pick one bug, like XSS or iDoor, and obsess over it until alert boxes haunt your dreams. Seriously, become its nightmare. Second, target one safe playground. Skip Google's main page because they'll eat you alive. Hunt on VDPS, vulnerability disclosure programs. They're like a hacker's sandbox with training wheels. Part 2. Build your spidey sense. Forget fancy tools for a sec. Real bug hunting is about training your brain to think like a paranoid plumber. Like, where would data leak? Where's the pipe gonna burst? Try hacking your own head. First, reverse engineer everything. Spot a login form. Immediately ask, can I nuke the password requirement? Then, go smash some JWT tokens. Second, become a copycat. Yes, seriously. Read one HackerOne report daily, but don't just scroll. Recreate the bug with your own hands until it's muscle memory. Believe me, Burp Suite community is really gonna assist you. Well, here's a true story. My first bounty, I stumbled into an iDoor hole on a cat meme uploader, saw everyone's cursed felines, and that $50 bounty paid my ramen. That's how your spidey sense starts tingling. Part 3. The boring stuff that actually works. Let's rip off the Band-Aid. The real secret sauce is embracing the grind. Yeah, documentation and repetition sound boring until they turn you into a bug-sniffing bloodhound. Lab Rat Protocol. Carve out one daily hour for Portswigger Academy Labs. No excuses, no skips. Then build your war room. Turn chaos into your command center. Drill fundamentals like HTTP deep dives, cookie forensics, and browser anatomy. Not sexy? True. And why do hackers adore nature? Fine. Fishing. That's the joke. I know. Puns are my toxic trait, but they're a public service. Part 4. Fail fast, learn faster. Let's talk about the secret weapon nobody admits they need, falling in love with failure. I know you will get rejected. Programs will ghost you like a bad Tinder date. Bounties will pay $0, but you have to submit every valid bug. Yes, even the $0 ones. Why? Because that thanks email builds rep capital. Soon, private invites roll in dollars, and that's where the real treasure's buried. Think of rejections like unskippable YouTube ads. Annoying as hell, but the payoff's coming. Now, go eat some duplicate responses for breakfast. Now repeat after me. Your mindset is your ultimate weapon. Tools? They're just fancy screwdrivers. Obsessing over the newest scanner is like bringing a lightsaber to a gunfight. Looks cool, but you'll still get smoked.